I've just now dropped my brother off. So this is there was a school down there, and that was my brother's. Now my mum's gonna drop me off. Yeah. Look at that green grass. Oh look! That's another window. Hi guys, my mum has made some food. It's a mixture. There's some peas, some potatoes and carrots I can see. It's called keema. So yeah, and it's after school. I've eaten some of that as well. My mum made a samosa with that, all of that, with all those stuff inside. She also made fish fingers and waffles, which were really, really yummy. Thank you, Mum.